In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace text in Adobe Acrobat 2026. By the end, you'll know the quickest, cleanest way to update wording in a PDF while keeping the layout intact. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This workflow relies on Acrobat's editing tools, so make sure you're in the Pro version. If the file is locked or protected, you'll need editing permission first, but assuming it's open for edits, you're good to go. Head to the Tools area at the top of the app. From there, choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals a right-hand panel with formatting controls. You'll also notice that as you hover over the document, Acrobat highlights areas it recognizes as editable text. Click directly on the text you want to replace. A bounding box will appear, indicating that Acrobat has identified that text object. Now select the portion of text you want to change. You can drag to highlight a word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph, whatever needs updating. With the text selected, just start typing your new text. Acrobat will replace the highlighted content immediately. It typically tries to match the surrounding style, but it's a good idea to check the formatting to ensure consistency. Look to the right panel for font and size options. Choose the same font or the closest available match and set the point size so your new text blends seamlessly with the original. If your new sentence is a bit longer, keep an eye on line breaks and spacing. Acrobat keeps text inside its container, so if anything looks cramped, reduce the font size slightly or refine the wording so it fits comfortably. A couple of quick checks help keep everything tidy. Verify that the baseline and spacing look natural alongside neighboring lines. If Acrobat had to substitute a font, compare the weight and proportions and adjust the size to balance the page visually. Also note that if you can't select the text at all, the PDF may be an image-only scan rather than live text, in which case editing won't behave as expected. When you're satisfied, save your changes, click Save to commit the edit to the file. If you want to keep the original untouched, you can save to a new copy, so you have both versions. That's it, the text is now replaced. You opened the PDF, entered edit mode, selected